अफवाहों और इल्जामों का सिलसिला जारी है. After multiple of Sushant's alleged friends shared their theories and made accusations against those they perceive may have hurt Sushant's feelings, Sushant के जिम पार्टनर अब एक नई थियरी शेयर कर रहे हैं that alleges a conspiracy by Ria's father and Mahesh Bhatt to harm Sushant and cause his demise. Though the CBI has begun a thorough investigation into the demise of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, the blames and accusations that keep emerging from those who have claimed to have been close to Sushant is endless, quite frankly unverified and baseless. But these accusations and blames keep seeming to fuel the fire of conspiracy theories that keep coming up in the minds of fans and onlookers. Here's the entire story. Times Now, which has been running a parallel investigation of sorts and has spoken to multiple people who knew Sushant at one point, has now spoken to a man calling himself Sunil Shukla, who claims to have been Sushant's gym partner. Sunil, while speaking to Times Now, has shared a wild conspiracy theory accusing Ria's father and Mahesh Bhatt of causing Sushant's demise. Sushant passed away under tragic and increasingly suspicious circumstances on June the 14th. After multiple setbacks and a now heavily criticized investigation by the Mumbai police, the case has finally been handed over to the CBI, whose officials are now in Mumbai investigating the case and meeting all key witnesses and those who were at Sushant's home when the late actor's demise occurred. Sushant's father had filed an FIR in the end of July naming Ria Chakrabarti as the main accused in the case, and the actor who has called herself Sushant's girlfriend will now be questioned by the CBI soon. She is also undergoing investigation by the Enforcement Directorate for charges of money laundering after Sushant's father alleged that over 15 crores had been transferred out of his son's account mysteriously. Sushant's family has also alleged that Ria and her family had distanced the late actor from his own family and prescribed wrong medications to him. In addition to Ria's brother Shouvik and her parents, whose names have been linked reportedly to the case, director Mahesh Bhatt has also been under scrutiny due to his proximity to Ria Chakrabarti and his alleged interference in Sushant and Ria's relationship. Sunil Shukla, who spoke to Times Now recently, made a shocking and unverified allegation based on his opinion of what may have happened and said that the conspiracy to cause Sushant's demise was made by Ria's father and alleged mentor Mahesh Bhatt. Sunil further said, Mr. Chakrabarti gave some medicines to Ria, and when Ria left, somebody must have been keeping those medicines to give to Sushant Singh Rajput. Sunil has also cast suspicion on Siddharth Pithani and staff members Neeraj and Dipesh Sawant, alleging that one of these members must have given Sushant the medicines even after Ria left Sushant's home. Adding to those who claim that the actor was not battling depression, Sunil also claims that his friend was not battling any mental health issue. Sunil's statements are just his personal opinion in the matter, and hopefully, with the CBI team's investigation, the truth will soon emerge from the web of allegations and rumors that have been flooding social media and electronic media recently.